Hey, good morning, Geomag here. Hey, I'm standing in front of my brand new travel trailer. It is a east to west Silver Lake KRD 20 version. It is awesome. It's good for me and my wife and 2 dogs, and can't wait to get on the road, do some camping, and hit some places. And y'all stay with me. This is Geomag Cat. Do the update soon, show you the insides and everything they have on this thing. And y'all stay with me. Hey, this is the east to west Silver Lake travel trailer we bought at Camping World here in Richland, South Carolina. Check it out. This is a 20 KRD size. It is 28.9 inches long. And it's awesome. Got hooked up beside our yard here. Little walk around here. This is the back here. Camping World. To the side here, got electric awning that comes out. This is the steps here, and go around the front here. It's not that big, but it's the right size for us. It's got the propane on here, battery, got it jacked up here, and we're gonna be hauling it behind my 2021 Silverado. Y'all stay with me. It's our Christmas present for us. Get on the road. All right, let's take a little look inside the travel trailer here. The steps up here, and that's a little bar here holding. And going here, automatically got the bedroom. There's a king size bed here. Little vent up there. Got space for a TV set here. It's nice in here. Got some cabinets here. Got storage inside underneath the bed here. Storage in there. Turn around here and go right into the kitchen here. The display case, you know, the controls here. Nice sink. Got some cabinetry here. Got a microwave. Got a propane stove here. Got an oven. Got a heat down here. Got radio. Got a little sitting area here that pulls out to a bed, and we got a couch over here and slides out to the bed too. And there's like that. It pops like that, and we put it back up. Easy peasy. And there's storage in there. Nice floors. So turn around here. Go back this way. Got a full-size refrigerator. Nice. Got some storage over here. Lights. Push button lights. Good to go here. And then go into the bathroom. Open the bathroom up. The bathroom is pretty good size here. Toilet, sink, huge shower. Look at that. I can stay up in the shower. Look at that. I am staying up in this shower. This thing is huge. And that shuts like that. And boom. That's the bathroom. And you turn around here. Goes right to the door there. You got 4G set up here. And back over here, and show it to you. Another spot for a TV. Got 2 TV sets. You gotta hook them up. Good size. Awesome size. I like it. This is a east to west Silver Lake 20 KRD version. And I tell you, lots of room. Lots of room. This is Geomag Cat. That was my little showing of how this new travel trailer bought from Camping World in Richland, South Carolina. Hope you like it. Thanks for staying with me. It's Geomag Cat. I'm out here.